My fantasy time. Yo, the fantasy time. You think you're gonna get the lifeline? Time for me to get locked up. All these niggas get fucked up. Do you really wanna try to ride lot? Me, I be rolling like a G, 7 letter of the alphabet. Yeah, my fucking flow so ill, gonna make you sweat. Do you really wanna think you're gonna try to make some dinner? Doesn't even matter what you're gonna try to keep your flow. Oh, this is the only reason why we say fuck the juggalo. Yeah, everybody, do you really think you're gonna try to ride? Everybody, do you think you're gonna get deep inside to the day that I die? Doesn't even matter why. Everybody, do you know I'm gonna cry? Yeah, my grandma's in the hospital, she only got a week to live. Only reason why I'm going tomorrow is just so I can clean her bib. Yeah, she'll be in the hospice up in Flagstaff, Arizona. We're gonna go down there to visit her so she won't go be alone. The last time I'm gonna see her probably in my life. Only reason, yeah, good thing I didn't make you my wife. You never done anything for me, except for my grandma too. Mama, I love you. This is why I had to go too. Do you really want to think you're gonna say Goku just like the Dragon Ball Z? I ain't down for that shit. No, I'm here just trying to rap, keep my thing legit. Just like I said earlier. Yeah, my fantasy. Just like I said earlier, my fantasy is just to live my life, to get me a good wife, and sell no more platinum and ice. The platinum is a good thing, cause everybody going to try to get fresh and clean just like me. Everybody get the Celtics. Yeah, it's all about the green and white. Yeah, this is the only reason why I'm hella tight. I know you can't see it because I'm up on the negative mode. Do you really want to think I'm gonna be rapping like a toad? Oh, everybody, do you even try to know how we really gonna roll? How much can you smoke? Can you smoke a J, or a B? Only reason why I'm going to say throw up the C. And you think it's gonna be destined to me because everybody, do you know this is my fantasy? My fantasy is get a job, just have with my own family, my familia. Do you think you're gonna say sayonara? No, I'm trying to talk some Spanish, some Espanol, not no fucking Japanese. Yeah, they could get up on their knees. Oh, say please. They be begging, they be just trying to be smoking. Smoking what? Doesn't even matter because I'm gonna get my knife and fucking stick you in the gut. So don't even try to say, don't try to say nada. Do you really wanna say, go eat that banana up on, see, you have black, so you're gonna be a little monkey. Do you really wanna think you're gonna get hella hunky? Oh, here we go once again. Everybody, do you think you're gonna try to sin? Doesn't even matter because everybody knows. Everybody gotta know I be rolling streets. Everybody, do you know I be making clean beats? This is the beat that I made. Only took me 2 years, actually a week. Doesn't even matter, bitch. Shut your legs about this thing. Do you really want to try to say? I don't know. But time for me to go. Gotta pack my stuff and go see my grandmother. I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you. Later.